Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to scan QR codes for Brawl Stars. Now, there is no built-in QR code scanner in Brawl Stars, so what you have to do is go out of the Brawl Stars game and use either your built-in QR code scanner, like for me it would be Google Lens. If you don't have a built-in one, just go over to Play Store and download a QR code scanner app. They are all the same. Don't get tied up in which one does what. So go over to any QR code for Brawl Stars like the ones I have here. And once that is done, you want to scan your QR code. And now, once you've scanned the QR code and clicked on the website, it's going to take you to the website for Brawl Stars. And from there, it'll ask you if you want to claim your reward now, and that'll take you into the Brawl Stars game. And from there, you'll be able to actually claim those rewards. And that's how easy it is, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.